If you are looking for a real opportunity to make money from the internet, then this video is for you. I always love videos and episodes in which there is a challenge between me and you, and today's video, God willing, is a new and easy challenge between me and you to make money from the internet with a new video and a special episode that has been requested from me for a long time. The last one is directed specifically to people who are looking for easy profit from the internet or easy profit from the internet. It is very excellent, guys. This is the site that we will be working on today. Of course, you will find the site link in the video description. How do I register on the site? Click on the registry. It is very excellent. The page will open with you. This is the email here. Here you will type your username here and your password twice here and here. After that, you will learn about I am not a robot like this. Guys, solve the CAPTCHA. After that, you will click on a registration like this. You created an account on the site and an email will come to you. This message will click on the link that is in it in order to activate your account on the site. It is very excellent, guys. When you log into the site, the page opens with you in this way. This is the main interface of the site. Of course, here it shows that you have the balance. Here is something called energy, and I will tell you what to use. Here is the deposit balance if you want to make an advertisement on the site, and this is not our story. There is absolutely nothing necessary. We have something here called the daily bonus. The first thing we have here is referrals. If you want people to work with you, they can register through you. Your friends and family will find your referral link in this place. You take it and start sharing it with your friends. We come to you for profit, which is profit. Competitions and similar competitions mean things that you did on the site. So you were able to reach certain goals, so you will start getting your prize. We will explain this when we explain the rest of the things. After that, you have AutoFust, and this AutoFust will not work for you unless you have the energy that we mentioned in the beginning. Do you see what it is? This energy is 30 energy. So you will find that this AutoFaust is working for you. It is working for you. How is it that every 15 minutes you will take 50 tokens? Manual Faust. We will leave the AutoFaust working. Manual Faust is working. How do we solve this manual Faust? Guys, here with your hands is like an equation. What does it mean like an equation here? For example, you have the word fox, cow, monkey. Never choose them in the same order from the three words under fox, addy, fox. Cow, cow, monkey, monkey. After that, you learn that I am not a robot and you step on collect your reward. Very excellent. You took 40 tokens from the manual phone. You can do this after 7 minutes. Short Linux. These are links that hijack your skipping. You see advertisements, so the site earns from these advertisements. When you reach the end of the link and return to the site again, you take a token. Then you benefited and the site also benefited. Of course, I will try with you now that we skip some advertisements so that I can teach you how to skip these advertisements when they open. If we click on the first claim link, it will start opening a page for me. This page is supposed to have ads, and I start going through the links. Of course, it tells me here to wait for these 20 seconds, and after that, you step on continue. Very excellent, guys. After that, I click on continue. It takes me down. Page. I am waiting on the chance to open with me. After that, I clicked on a very excellent Git link. It brought me back to the site. Hey guys, it tells me that you took 200 tokens in less than a minute. Exactly. I was able to take 200 tokens and 10 energy and so on for the rest of the links. After that, you have BTC, an abbreviation for BAD. Just click that. You see advertisements for Let's Go Like This on BTC, and it tells you that you will wait 15 seconds on this page and take 50 tokens. So let us try this together and see this method. Hindus like this on the air. As you see this, wait for 15 seconds and prefer to open the page in front of you. For example, an advertisement for a site. This means that this site will continue to advertise on the site that we are working on. You will wait for a second. This is very excellent, guys. You will step on any node, the verified robot. That's it. You took your token. It is 50 Hindu tokens. Okay, I will come. There is one thing that I love very, very much, guys. And it is, the missions are important, like this mission. For example, he tells you to go to this link and start skipping all the ads. It means something like this. Shorten the links. Go through all the ads. On the third page or at the end of the third page, you will find a code that will appear in front of you. Give this code and write it in this place. After that, confirm your profit and you will get it. 130 tokens and 10 energy, for example. There is a mission below that. I saw it. It is for 200,000 tokens. A mission for 200,000 tokens. You will go to this site and you will collect us. You will see advertisements, do the Faust, and also make overalls. If we step on it like this, you will find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, I have now turned on the advertisements inside the site because the site already earns from these ads. While I was working on the site, he told me not to turn off the ad blocker, so I turned off the ad blocker for him. Earn a reward by participating in this survey. This is a survey. Get an immediate reward by sharing your opinion. Come back every day. Provide your feedback on the new questionnaires. I don't know. How much is this poll, uncle? How much is this offer? Come with me in 3,500 tokens. Save the number with me. Here you have opinion polls, and here you have mobile application offers. What do mobile application offers mean? You download your applications and reach some levels and start taking offers, but they are not currently available. in this company. Of course, make this advertisement. If you would like to make an advertisement on the site, and you can do this from the word deposit, you make a deposit on the site and start doing, for example, bringing visits to your site or something. What is this transfer? If, for example, you want to make an advertisement on the site, but you do not want to make a deposit, you will work on the site, and with the money you collected, you will start transferring it to Depot Balance. You can advertise on the site without paying this money. If you would like to change your password history, guys, because you can see your withdrawals or your work here, the withdrawal processes. As I told you in the beginning, I withdrew from the site twice and made the withdrawals, and I will withdraw a third time. Now in front of you, we are working on the site. Okay, I need to withdraw my profits. What is the minimum withdrawal limit, and how do I withdraw my profits like this? Guys, as is clear to you, let us go below that, the minimum. Withdrawal amount is 120 tokens, and I currently have 360 tokens, so I can withdraw from the site. There is no problem. Okay, how do I withdraw from the site? Guys, I withdraw from the site on my FastPay wallet, and I will leave you the link to it in the description. The video, and we talked about it before, the FastPay wallet, I will explain to you how to register on it, how to work on it as well, how to earn from it as well, and how to make deposits and withdrawals from it. Okay, guys. You can withdraw using Bitcoin, using the Tron TRX currency, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and the dollar currency directly. You draw on it as, you see guys, I do 3 minutes of work. Of course, I took a long time to explain, but in general, what I did was work. For example, 5 minutes of work, 4 minutes of work, 10 minutes of work. I was almost able to reach close to $1. I mean, as I told you so. In one day, you can earn between $2, $3, $4. You can increase it up to $5. I mean, I won't tell you anything. And that's it. No, everything is visible in front of you. Is it withdrawing profits? How do I add my Faust wallet? I will never step on the deposit. I want to make a deposit. I will do it. Deposit on Litecoin. Click here on deposit and click here on copy to take my wallet. Return to the site and choose Litecoin and go down below. Put here the widget address that I will withdraw from. Click on I am not a robot. Of course, the value here is the 360, and click on withdraw. So your withdrawal request is submitted with a very important note. It tells you to try to skip the short Linux 3 times so that your withdrawal is compatible with it. What does this mean, guys? Of course, we are the first. If we go like this to the history, and after that, click on the always draw, you will find what we withdrew before. The most important thing is there, friendly. What we pulled is now pending and will be sent to you on your wallet within 24 hours. But he wrote a note like this on the dashboard. Guys, turn on the dashboard. You have to go through the Linux shorts 3 times. Turn on the Linux shorts. Guys, we made one and we will explain to you. You still have to do it daily, almost 3 times to withdraw your profits. And so guys, I reached the end of the episode with you and talked about everything on the site in detail and how easy the site is. Finally, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will see you, God willing, in a new episode. Thank you, and may God's peace, mercy, and blessings be upon you.